Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for shoes using easy methods. First, always wipe down your shoes after each wear to remove surface dirt and dust. This simple step prevents grime buildup. Next, insert shoe trees to help maintain their original shape and absorb any moisture. Finally, store your shoes properly in a cool, dry environment to protect materials from damage. These habits extend your footwear's life significantly. Different shoe materials need specific care. For leather, apply a dedicated cleaner and then a conditioner to keep it supple and prevent cracks. Canvas shoes are easy. Just spot clean them with a little mild soap and water. Suede and nubuck, however, need a special brush and an eraser to gently lift dirt without damaging the delicate texture. Always test products on an inconspicuous area first. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding these shoe care tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Protecting your shoes from the elements is crucial. Start by applying a water and stain repellent spray to new shoes. This creates a barrier against spills and rain. Don't forget to replace worn insoles and laces. It makes a big difference in comfort and appearance. Also, rotating your shoes, giving each pair at least 24 hours to air out, helps them last much longer. Sometimes your shoes need a deeper clean. For athletic shoes, hand wash them with a gentle detergent, focusing on soiled areas. To tackle odors, sprinkle baking soda inside and let it sit overnight, or use a dedicated shoe deodorizer. Always let your shoes air dry completely, away from direct heat, which can damage materials. Proper drying prevents mildew and maintains shoe integrity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.